Hi, it's Anita Cordell here with the Yellow Brick Group powered by Real Broker, and today's tour is a property that is in Lee Summit, Missouri, and this is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home. It's got a 3-car garage and it feeds into the Blue Springs School District. So as you know, I started at the street level, or the street view. It's on a corner lot, and this is what the neighborhood looks like. Now, here is Voice Spears Elementary School. It's right across the street from it, and that makes it perfect for if you have any kiddos or grandkids that come and visit you. But here is the front of the house. This is so pretty. So this is a 2-story property. Price is $560,000. So this is what Lee Summit, Missouri provides for you. And let's go take a look at what it's inside. I love the front of it. Curb appeal is great. We're gonna go inside here. All right, so you walk in to this lovely foyer. I love that indention here. So you can put anything here. You can put pictures. I like what they've done here. But first, we are going to put some covers on our shoes because that's what we do. So, sorry, my video is a little wiggly. In the meantime, you can look and see what. Okay, so we're putting on these, my other shoe. Okay. All right, so I like the entryway. Of course, you're gonna come and see the garage, or I said garage, but I meant coat closet. But I really do love that indention there. And I bet that was a custom feature. I like the light. So you can add any kind of decor or whatever. So before we go into the kitchen area, we're gonna look at the dining room. I love the accent color, the red, and the way that it just pulls out a really unique, rich feeling. And in the camera, I think it's a little bit brighter than what it's showing. In true life, it's more of a little bit of a darker red, but I think it adds a lot. Okay, so we're gonna go here. Here's the garage space. Now, one of the things that I love about garage spaces that are right off the kitchen is that it makes it so easy for someone to bring in their groceries or bring in their children. Look, they have their refrigerator here, an extra refrigerator, freezer here, and some storage. Now, due to the fact that this wall is here, it's here because this was a former model home, and the owners just left this wall here, but that wall can easily be taken out or left if you want. Kind of like a separate space there. It's kind of the fun thing about former model homes is that sometimes they'll have that space there. Okay, so this is one of my favorite things about this listing. You can see just such luxury and coziness all in the same. So this is a huge oversized living room. Now, one of the things that you'll notice about this is there are 3 fireplaces. So there's the first one, but look at how big this living room space is. Then you've got the hearth area. That's the second fireplace, and look at the details of the fireplace and the mantle. Look at this, the tile there. It's really nice. You can also put a mount up there if you're wanting the TV to be mounted. That one's just actually not mounted, but it's on footing. But this hearth room is so big. You've got enough space to have your own little small cozy area. This is great for entertaining purposes. Now the kitchen area, look at that. You've got enough space for even more bar stools. So they have 3. So you probably could put maybe 2 more here potentially. And then let's see if there's more. Yeah, there's 3 more here. So there's so much space to entertain here. And a little cozy area. This is a granite countertops. I love the color of it. One of the things to note is just how big this kitchen is. And I like the design of it too, because you obviously you're going to be cooking, refrigerator here, but just the layout of the kitchen is fantastic. And then there's so much counter space. And let's see, look at the drawers here. Are they soft close? Not soft close, but new faucet. Look at that. They've done so much to get this house ready. A lot of updates. I love the little desk here. You don't see this actually in a lot of the new construction homes, but this is great. And then around here would be more space. So there would be your cleaning area or cleaning supplies, and then your pantry. A lot of pantry space. These are deep. A lot of spacious sections there. Okay, calf bathroom on the off of the kitchen area. So it makes it really nice. A good flow. It just flows right into each other. So that's the first level. Again, such an easy, with a lot of room. So we go up the stairs. They are leaving actually the chair here, the chair lift. But look at this. So this whole area is a loft area. This can be used for maybe, I don't know, a play area for your kids, an office space. It can be used for media, maybe a little movie section. It's pretty big. Here, I'll show it to you this way too. Really nice. And I like the chandelier. Oh, let's get a closer look to the chandelier. My camera's kind of coming through with little lights. Okay, here's the third fireplace. You do not find this many features at this price range. This primary bathroom is amazing as well. Talk about luxury. Just like what I said, there's this feel of luxuriness, but yet coziness, all within the same space of this house. So it basically 2 vanities. One obviously would be the hers one, right? It's another vanity shelf right here. And I love the walk-in shower. It's really nice. And the chair there. It's great. Here's another one of my favorite spaces. The whirlpool tub, of course. And then this is where the bathroom area is, the toilet. They're so nice. Now, I like the way that this house faces. So you're going to be facing the west. So, okay, now here's the master or the primary closet. Look at how much, it's pretty big. Nice. Okay, so that was the primary suite. And I call that a suite because it just feels so, I don't know. I could spend a lot of time in that bathroom. And I like the swing doors, you know? Okay, so now this is 4 bedrooms. And so you've got the first bedroom here. And it is a Jack and Jill bathroom in a way, because you've got your own sink here and another walk-in closet. So all 4 of the bedrooms have a walk-in closet, which is super nice. So these 2 bedrooms are right next to each other. They share the toilet and the shower and the bathtub, but they have their own sinks. So here's the other walk-in closet, and then the other bedroom. And then the 4th bedroom is here. This is a good sized bedroom, and it also has its own shower, so really great for guests. And then also too, their own, wow, this is a big closet. Yeah. So there's a 2nd floor. So if you guys like 2nd floor homes, this is an amazing option. Okay, so now we're gonna go down into the basement. Now the basement is not finished. Okay. This is a pretty good sized basement. It goes all the way. It's basically considered a full basement because it covers the entire footprint except for the garage. It covers the entire footprint of the whole house. And so there is enough space in here to have storage. There's enough space in here to have a bathroom. So there, it's stubbed for a bathroom over here and a shower. And you could also tap into the plumbing and have maybe a kitchenette down here, an area to, you could have so much down here. Media room, pool table, all kinds of stuff. So let's go outside to the backyard. I'm gonna walk up these stairs. Again, I love the spacious living room. A little kitchenette. So here's the backyard. It's so peaceful out here. So it's got a patio. And the trees are fantastic. Give a lot of, I mean, not necessarily a ton of privacy, but you do get some privacy. And then you could actually fence this here if you wanted to fence it. So I know it doesn't have a fence, but it's definitely something you could explore if you're wanting a fence, because it's a pretty good sized yard. There you go. There's just so much room in this house. So there you go. We are in the Lee Summit area. again, with Blue Springs School District, and 4-bedroom, 3-bath home for $560. Come on, guys. You got to take a look at this house. It's absolutely beautiful. And I didn't even have to use a lot of descriptive words because hopefully you captured it on video with all of the great things about this house. I love the garage and how close it is to the kitchen. I love the peaceful, you can hear how peaceful it is. This is definitely a quiet neighborhood, and it's north of Lee Summit. So a lot of times people really want to be in the city of Lee Summit, and this would be a great option for you guys. So enjoy it. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you guys have seen that chandelier before. I would love to know where you guys get your chandeliers from, and if you want to see it, reach out.